See question number 16. Let vector A is equal to I plus alpha j plus 3k. Vector B is equal to 3i minus alpha j plus k. If the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are represented by vectors A and B, these are the sides of parallelogram. Adjacent sides. Area they have mentioned and here they have given area. You see, where they have mentioned area and here they are given. E is 8√3 square units, that area. Then what is the value of A dot B like they are asking? See, let me write this parallelogram. First of all, understand this figure. Is this the parallelogram? Okay, see here two sides, adjacent sides you take A and B. Okay, see how we are going to find the area of the parallelogram? Just cross product, that's all. I, J, sorry, K and A. That means area A cross B modulus. Why? Because area cannot be vector. Area is, again you have to put modulus finally. Then only 8√3 will come. I, J, K and see 1 alpha 3 minus alpha 1 is equal to 8√3. Okay, modulus and determinant. Okay, now we see I times of alpha plus 3 alpha minus j times of 1 minus 9 plus k times of minus alpha minus 3 alpha is equal to 8√3. See, 8√3 means this you keep modulus. Okay, modulus. 4 alpha I minus 8 plus 8j minus 4 alpha k modulus is equal to 8√3. See, modulus means you have to apply root, but I will square on both sides. That means 16 plus 64 plus 16. Oh, alpha is 4 square. 16 alpha square plus 64 plus 16 alpha square. Under root I am not keeping. Here what I do, 64 into 3 I will make. Okay, I have squared on both sides like keeping. 32 alpha square is equal to 64 into 3 minus 64. 64 absent that side. Or else alpha square is equal to, see, 64 if I take common 3 minus 1 by this 32 also will come. 2 times will come. That means 2 into 2, 4. Alpha square is equal to 4. See, don't make alpha equal to plus or minus 2. Why? Because wait. Now go for A dot B. Alpha square is equal to 4, you keep like this only. Now go for A dot B. A dot B is equal to I plus alpha j plus 3k dot 3i minus alpha j plus k. Okay. 1 into 3, 3. Alpha into minus alpha square plus 3 into 1, 3. That is equal to 6 minus alpha square. That is equal to 6 minus alpha square value directly produce 4. That is equal to 2. 2 will be your answer. Understand? Okay. Now we will stop this class. Tomorrow we will do 2022 and 23 questions and we will close the chapter. Thank you very much.